Let me show you an easy way to download music on your iPhone. A new feature in iOS 26 is that you can set these songs after you download them as ringtones on your iPhone natively in the phone. I'll show you how to do it. Now, on your iPhone, open up Google Chrome, or you can still use Safari. It works the exact same. There are a couple places where you can download copyright-free music. The best one, and the one with the largest library, is called Pixabay. So just tap on Pixabay, search for it, and open it up. You can see pixabay.com. Now, to find those copyright-free songs, all we need to do at the very top where it says Explore, Photos, etc., swipe over and tap on Music. And then once we're in here, you can see royalty-free music, over 180,000 songs. On any of these, I can tap on it, and I can press play here if I wanted to listen to it. And if I'm good to go, all I need to do is tap on that little download button at the very bottom to download it to my device. You can see it says save here. I can choose to save it either to the Files app or Google Drive. Let's save it to the Files app, and I'll show you where to find it. Let's hop out here, swipe over, and in the app library, we're just going to search for Files and open it up. Now, you might need to tap on back button all the way at the top left until you get to this option. You're going to tap on my iPhone, and in this case, Chrome, and there is that song that we just downloaded. You can press play and listen to it. And in iOS 26, I can tap on the share button. And on here, you can see I can also hit use as ringtone if it's under 30 seconds. So you might need to trim it down, or if it already is under 30 seconds, you can automatically set it as a ringtone.